In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock, hit fingerprint and face unlock here and choose face. Hit agree in the pop-up. Enter your screen lock and tap on Add Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!